Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. It's been a while since my last video and yeah, unfortunately June just another quite busy month for me. In today's video I would like to guide you through the process of connecting Telegram channel to your Postiz dashboard. The process is super easy. It might sound hard because creation of the Telegram bot is required, but in reality the process is much simpler than connecting X or TikTok accounts. So let's jump straight to it and let's start with the Telegram part. I don't really know how popular Telegram is at your place, so just in case you're not aware, Telegram is messaging platform similar to WhatsApp, Viber, etc. But from my point of view, it's much more trustworthy. In this video, as you might already see, I'm using the desktop version of the Telegram application since it's just simpler to record. But if you like to use your smartphone only, the process would be exactly the same. In Telegram, there are two community options, groups and channels. Groups work just like regular groups where a bunch of people can discuss things. Channel, on the other hand, is the place for posting your news, articles, thoughts, etc. Postiz can be connected via Telegram bot to either group or channel, but I think the most common way to use it would be to keep it in the channel and link dedicated group to this channel for commenting posts that were created in this channel. This might sound a little bit confusing, especially if you have never used Telegram channels and groups before, but trust me, it is not. It's really simple to use and I gotta admit it's quite comfortable to use as well. So stay with me and you will be able to see everything by yourself. Okay. Let's create our Telegram group. Go to Telegram, click new group. Here you should have a list of contacts from Telegram to add to the group straight away. I don't have any contacts on this account, so I will click next, group name. I will type something like I usually type. Add members if you would like to, and click create. Go to the group settings, edit, and change it to public. Of course, if you want to keep group publicly available. Okay, group is ready. Now let's move and create a channel. Basically the same way, just click new channel. Create channel. You can write some description if you would like to. Next, public, and let's give it public name. Done. Go to the channel settings, edit, and here you will be able to see option discussion. Here is basically how you can link a group to the channel. So we link group. Okay, now they are linked. For better visibility, I have just added icons and changed the names for the channel and for the group. Now, how this thing works. You are in the channel and you would like to post some content. So you, let's say, I don't know, check out my new video and link to YouTube. You are posting in the channel. Here's your post. Now, as you might see here, group got the same exact post. But here in the group, you are able to chat and comment your post. Also, in the channel, under your post, you will see this leave comment button. So basically, leaving comment here will push it directly to the group as a response to the posted article. With the next step, we will register a Telegram bot. Basically, what we are trying to achieve is we will add the bot to our channel and we'll connect it to Postiz. So Postiz will be creating posts in this channel via bot. Okay, how do we create a Telegram bot? And the answer is we will be using Telegram bot for this. In search bar, type bot father. Basically, this one is the bot that will create bot for us. Click start. After that, click button open. And here you will see button create new bot. Let's give it a name. Check the requirements for the bot username. It must end in bot. Okay, this is it. Bot is registered. And here is the token that you would need to use in your Postiz configuration. After successful registration of our bot, we now need to add this bot to our channel. To be able to do that, go to Channel Settings and Administrator tab and add this bot as admin. Leave him only Manage Messages rights and click Save. Now, let's go to Postiz config, and in the configuration here, we need to add two new properties, Telegram bot name and Telegram bot token. Again, as was mentioned many times in previous videos, I highly recommend to store them as environmental variables because this approach allows you to store your credentials more safely. If you are using Postiz on deploy, I believe you're already familiar with this process, but I will just show it again. Environmental variables are stored under the environment tab, and all of them are here. Click I button and then provide Telegram bot name and Telegram bot token. Okay, let me copy token, paste it here. Now I need to copy my Telegram bot name. For the Telegram bot name, copy just the part after @. You don't need to provide it here. So it should look like this. Save, deploy. Container deployed. And now let's go to Postiz dashboard and try to add Telegram channel there. Here in Postiz dashboard, let's add new channel, select Telegram, connect Telegram, and this is the command we need to copy and execute in our channel where we added our bot. So copy it, go to Telegram, go to channel and paste this command here. Okay, our bot was successfully added. You see that channel was added here, and connecting message from the bot in Telegram was also here, but then it was deleted by the bot itself. Now to the stressful part. Let's create post, select our Telegram channel, and let's insert some post now. And here we go, the same issue. Let's try the restart first. Go to the Postiz, stop the server, and after it stopped, let's start it again. Okay, started. Okay, try again. And here we go. It is successfully posted 2 times. This happened because I have 2 posts registered and temporal workers started to work properly after the restart, so it picked up both of my posts that I have created. Okay, before finishing this video, here are a couple of troubleshooting hints. So first one would be the one you saw already, that if you connected Telegram channel to Postiz and after creating a post, it's not appearing in the Telegram. So you either need to restart, as I did, or the second place to check would be the bot permissions. Just make sure that bot has the rights to post the messages in your Telegram channel. In case you would like to get more information about what's happening inside your temporal service, you can add temporal web UI, so you can go there and check different things like you can see right now on the screen. To be able to do that, you need to add just one block of code to your Postiz configuration. I described it here, and also you can get this block of code from GitHub repository README file. Link will be shared in the description under this video. Well, this is it for today. Thanks everyone for your support and nice words in the comment section. I'm very, very happy to see that my videos are helping somehow. Channel, by the way, is already at 64 subscribers, which is kind of amazing, especially considering that I'm not yet even close to my ultimate goal to post at least 2 videos per week. So many things are going on right now that I barely can keep up with 1 per week. Once again, thank you very much. I will record celebration video when channel hits 69 subs. And as usually, see you in the next one. Take care.